The last number in your for loop is called the increment. Each time the loop is run, the counter variable changes by the value of the increment. Try collecting these flowers using an increment of 2.